Yeah.
And then, yeah, so we
so you
chose
had it
from
all,
those.
you kind of had the list ready to go before you
Right.
arrived, so you're not,
Yeah.
it's not something that's
Right.
been happening continually.
Right.
I was going to say it's an extra thing you
Yeah.
guys don't need to try and trudge through now, so you
Yeah.
had all the list. Oh, that's
Yeah.
cool.
That's always super fun. Such a great way to
Yeah.
get the audience involved.
Yeah.
But Venti McVentface really took over.
It
I got a
Why
lot
am I
of
not
Twitter
surprised?
spam on that. Yeah.
When it's good, it's good.
Yeah.
Uh,
Actually, I forgot the guy's name, but he was here before. One of the researchers from Mbari emailed us and said he wanted to name it Venti McVentfield. So, but that's okay.
Great minds think alike.
Yeah.
He should have named it that when he was here 15 years ago.
Yeah.
he missed his opportunity.
Yeah. He's not here now.
Sorry, Dave.
Yeah, Amy, based on what you've been preparing, it sounds like Gorda Ridge is just going to be AKA Candyland.
Yes.
What would happen if you took a marshmallow down below?
That is a great question.
Would it make one of those mini marshmallows?
We should try it.
then you can put it in your venti latte.
Yeah.
Oh.
And
sounds
then
like
the
an
mini
expensive
marshmallow
latte.
becomes a micro.
I think we should add this to the science plan for the next dive.
What's the time? Okay, 5 more minutes.
We've done this.
You have?
Believe it or not. I think someone has done this, taken a marshmallow to the seafloor. We've taken a potato and baked it in a hot smoker.
Oh my gosh.
They've taken an egg down. I
42.
don't know why I feel like there is a marshmallow.
What were the results from some of those?
Well, the baked potato got covered in like metal sulfide precipitates. And
Oh, tasty.
Ooh.
and
source of
that
vitamins and minerals.
egg,
Iron.
the egg imploded.
Oh.
gross.
Wow.
Oh, no. So you can boil eggs at the really shallow, super shallow hydrothermal
Yeah.
vents in Iceland, because obviously you have no problems with things imploding at like 8 meters.
Yeah.
So I know they do that. They can scuba and they boil them at there.
Oh, that's so fun. I didn't know that.
Mm-hmm.
Well, if there was a marshmallow experiment, I'm pretty sure we need some replicates, right?
Yes.
Oh, it's a great idea.
There's a use for your marshmallows tomorrow, Amy.
Oh yeah, you packed them.
Yeah, I'm not going to eat them, so.
You should get one marshmallow of each size, the super big ones, the normal ones, and the tiny ones, and then see how each one reacts at depth.
Or make s'mores. You had the graham cracker
Yeah.
crumbs.
I do have graham crackers. We could do this.
But who's going to eat it is what I'm saying when it comes back.
I don't think the graham
Anyway.
cracker would survive the
No.
trip to depth.
What's the temperature?
53.
53, copy that.
So here we are at Gorda Ridge off the coast of Northern California in Oregon at the base of the Juan de Fuca plate, sampling hydrothermal vents for the NASA subsea program. And Dr. Amy Smith and Dr. Sarah Hu are the microbiologists who are looking at the microbiological communities there. And we have geologists on board as well. And samples have been taken from this area so they can examine the type of rocks, as well as mapping has also been performed. So you can follow the research for the microbiologist. Dr. Who is on Twitter is at SHU251. And this is at Woods Hole Oceanographic Institute. And just one moment, I'll find the other one here.
67.
That looks good.
Copy that, 6-7. Hey Jess, can we put Argus back on sat feed 2, please?
Absolutely.
I don't want to leave Argus out. Still have the guilt.
And Dr. Amy Smith,
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
who is also
You're
a
welcome,
postdoc
Kathy.
at Woods Hole Oceanographic Institute. Her Twitter account is at astro, A-S-T-R-O underscore microbe, M-I-C-R-O-B-E. So you can follow the results of this dive at their accounts.
Thirty seconds left.
My glasses.
Copy that, standing by.
We got the lens, yes.
How many more minutes on this sample?
2 seconds.
Oh,
Done.
okay.
Copy that, stopping sample,
Wow.
2016.
All right.
Perfect timing.
Stop.
Impeccable timing.
3467.
That was the third filter of 3, is that correct?
Yes, so we should
Yeah.
be switching wands now.
Okay, come wide, please.
We gotta find the same
Jess,
spot.
I might squish you here.
Yeah.
Whoop.
Okay, so we had 0.09 liters per minute.
0.09 liters per minute.
Sure, that's good there, I think.
1.85
I'm good to stow the wand, confirming.
1.85 liters total volume. Thanks, Amy.
You're welcome. On this side. Okay, moving to port 7
aye, aye.
to start bags.
Port 7.
What?
Isn't it usually tucked in?
I'm all caught up in my own temp probe here.
Pausing at 6.5.
So someone thought it should be called Venti Misquirt Face.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Work with
begins.
me.
Yeah. I should have never said anything.
Oops. Ooh. Can I get the sideways action, please?
Yeah, it didn't seem too strong.
See if I can pull this out while I'm sitting here. Can you zoom in halfway, please, Jess? Good there.
You can just barely see it.
Do you feel like we're good with Argus, or do you want another ship move?
I think we should do another ship move 5 meters towards Herc.
I'm going to do just 190.
Come wide, please, Jess.
you want the front porch again?
Sure, please. Full wide, please, Jess. All right, let's do this. And confirming exhaust one on the same little vent thing?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, zoom in. Good there. And can I get the vent on bubble, please?
Yeah. Do you want to zoom in?
Sure, yeah. All right, Jess, any more zoom there? Good, thanks.
We can still go to full too, so let me know.
Does that look good there, Amy, Sarah?
I think it's a little far.
A little,
Yeah.
sorry?
A little far.
It's too far?
So closer to
Maybe.
Herc?
Can you
This way?
A little far.
zoom
as
in a
away
little
from-
bit more?
Yeah.
All right, that's
Yep,
full zoom.
maybe back a little bit, you think?
Ay, ay, ay. Sure.
Sorry.
How about,
Yeah,
whoop, whoop, whoop. There.
right
That
there.
looks good.
That looks good.
'Kay.
Okay.
So
I'm
starting
locked down there.
Okay, great.
Move to port 7.
Let me know when you're ready.
Okay.
Copy that. Moving to port 7.
And starting to fill. We're going to fill for 30 seconds,
Copy that.
and then we'll flush it out. Can we get the flow meter on the bubble cam?
Yeah, I could do that.
Thank you.
Thanks, Cassidy. Oh yeah.
Okay,
Can we
ready?
get the bags
Stop.
on one of them too?
Purging?
Hold on.
Mm.
Okay,
Yeah.
purging.
Copy that. Purging. Also, can we put the bag quiver onto sat feed 2, please?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Sorry, you want the bag view? Is that where?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my bad.
Which camera is the bag feed on?
Starboard bucket.
Thank you.
Okay, stopping.
Copy that.
Second.
Filling bag now.
Second fill. Copy. That's great. Thanks, Jess. Which one are we filling? The one in the bottom quiver?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Look at the little exhaust tube friend.
The limpet friend.
Stopping.
Copy that.
Purging. Start.
Original piece of that.
And stopping.
Copy that.
Filling bag now.
Third rinse.
This is the third one?
Mhm.
Okay.
Have either of you guys seen Eric?
And stopping.
Copy that.
Purge.
Purging now.
Final purge.
Arms cramping. And stopping.
Copy that.
Okay. Filling bag for 5 minutes and start.
Copy starting sample
This is
2026.
at 4154.
Here.
4154.
Thank you. We're a great team.
Heck yeah.
Looks like it's wafting away.
Yeah. Flow meter's going though.
It's okay. Yeah.
And now it's back.
Looks like your bag's filling.
Oh, good.
It started,
Yay.
yeah. It was moving at first, but now it started to drop down and get a bit wider.
It's been 2 minutes, 30 seconds.
Copy that.
Flow rate's pretty high.
Someone wanted to know about invasive species at this level, but we don't even have a baseline, right, of the organisms that exist there. Does anybody have information on that?
One thing we have to be careful of is actually translocating species on our vehicles. So one thing that the ROV engineers and pilots are very careful of is every time it comes on deck, we give the whole vehicle a really thorough freshwater rinse, because the last thing we want to do is translocate those species to other vent sites. So then in that sense, they could become invasive, or could have been artificially moved from site to site. So we are very careful to make sure that we don't assist in that problem.
No, that's a good point. Thank you for pointing that out.
Can we get a quick zoom out for a reference point for the wand, please? All right, you're good to go back in. Thanks.
Got a little friend up there, a little sea spider.
One more minute.
1 minute, Roger.
skiing the wheel spinning this fast makes me think maybe that other filter didn't have a problem.
Yeah, I agree.
I mean, it's
The flow
so
rate's
much
the
faster.
same. Yeah.
So we have a new audience that they do not understand why. Some of them asked, why are we sampling? And what are you sampling and why? So could someone please take that and explain?
Yeah, 1 second.
Sure.
The flow rate and estimated volume was similar the last time we did this with the flow meter kind of going slow, and we measured that we still got about 4 liters, Julie, just FYI. So it's still a little bit of an underestimate.
Okay, stopping.
Copy that. Stopping sample 2031.
Ready for some arm stow action?
No, we have
we got one
stand
more
by.
bag to go.
Another bag. Awesome.
Sorry.
All right. That's all right.
That was really loud. When I laugh sometimes it's like a guffaw. Okay. Okay. So we have 0.66 liters per minute,
0.66 liters per minute.
3.32 liters.
3.32 liters. Copy that. Thanks, Amy.
You're welcome. Okay, gonna move to port 8 now.
refilling the middle bag.
Yes.
Copy that. Moving to port 8.
Let me write down this. Oopsie. Oh wait, I don't want to write that down yet. Not till after we flush.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
So I'm gonna go, yes. Oh, and start.
Copy that. Starting first fill.
And stop.
Stopping.
And purge now. And stopping.
Copy that. Stopping.
Fill now.
Second fill.
And stopping. And purge now.
Copy. Purging on the second fill.
Look at all that.
I know.
Is that sediment?
I don't know.
And stopping.
Copy that. Stopping.
Am I on fill?
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 Purging?
Purging?
I think that's your third fill you're on. You
Yeah,
just
that was
purged
the
a
third.
second.
I
Yeah,
just
so
purged.
this was the
Yeah.
third
Okay.
rinse,
This
so
is
you can
just-
purge this last.
What?
Go ahead, Lee.
Oh no, you guys carry on. I'll wait for you guys. I thought you were on your third fill.
I'm gonna
For
fill
rinsing.
now.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's
Yep.
what I thought.
Yep.
Okay, fill now. And stopping.
Copy that.
Purge now.
This is your final purge.
Thank you.
Is Sarah still in the room?
Yes.
Yes. Hello.
So Sarah, after this, you want to look for a rock, right?
Yes.
Okay, we don't want to take too much time with that, and that's probably a good time for someone to go get Eric and tell him the range of temperatures we found here,
Okay.
and let him decide if he wants to do his sampling here or if he wants to do it at marker A.
And
Okay.
stop.
So confirming we're going to stow the wand right now?
No, no,
No.
no.
We
We're-
still have
sorry.
5-minute fill.
After the
Oh, yes.
after this thing, I
Yes.
should say. And then
Yeah.
we'll do a rock, potentially.
Yeah. So,
Starting
'Kay.
fill now.
So
We got
starting
5
sample
minutes.
for 5 minutes, 2036.
okay. Yeah, so...
So just to
go
sorry.
ahead.
No, sorry, Sarah. Just to confirm, so we had next in the dive plan the filling of the super tubes
Correct.
before the rock. So
Oh, before the rock.
yeah, so I mean it's up to you guys and Julia ISC whether, unless Eric wants to see if this vent is suitable for his super tube rather than getting us to move off site and potentially come back.
Okay.
I mean it's entirely up to you guys and Julie.
Someone
I
in the-
think someone should go get Eric now then.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, no worries, Julie. We can do that. I've been calling down to lounge to see if I can get hold of him, but I'll send someone
means
down.
It's idle, not working.
Okay.
Stand by.
Okay.
I think there's some, yeah, right there within reach. Like there's a
So
really
too.
nice one.
Okay.
That was a shrimp. Ah. I forgot to do the thing
Oh.
again.
This is
Okay. 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 Yeah. We have 2.5 minutes left.
what? Okay.
They might have wanted to do the tubes before the rock because it could stir up sediment.
Yeah. Yeah.
One and a half minutes left. think those are shrimp. What?
What is he looking for? Is he looking for a high temperature or just like a temperature gradient so we can test the adaptive sampling?
I don't know.
Okay.
1 minute
Yeah,
left.
I think what, convey to Eric that just at this little spot, we found everything from like 10 to 230, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I could have visual that the bag is filling.
Looks good.
Five seconds. And stop.
Copy that. Stopping sample 2041.
Okay, we have what? Yeah, I gotta do this first.
Oh,
before I forget.
Copy that.
Sorry.
We'll do that in a second.
0.62 liters per minute and 3.08 liters.
0.62 litres per minute and a final volume of 3.08.
Yes.
Okay.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
While
Moving
we're
to position 8.5.
okay.
Confirm. Moving
While we're
to
waiting
port
for Eric,
8.5.
he needs the other wand, right? So we could at least stow this, get the other one out.
Agreed, yeah.
Okay.
No, absolutely.
You good for that now?
Yeah, but we don't want to
Okay,
move
come on.
anywhere because we don't want to stir anything up.
No moving, no stirring.
You sure
Thanks,
he needs
Trevor.
the other wand?
No. But yeah, it is
He
because
does,
it's the
okay.
tubes.
He needs the
where-
one with the thermocouple in.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we could at least use the cameras just to look around for blue while we're waiting for him, but we
And
won't
can
move
look at
anywhere.
see if we can see shrimp.
And look for shrimp.
Yeah, we can have a look, or we can, yeah, if we keep the vehicle in the same place. I'm just
I keep
concerned
seeing-
because it's quite loose here, isn't it, right? So I didn't want to move away and
Oh
then
yeah,
come back.
no,
'cause I
you're
think
right.
it's
We
probably-
shouldn't. No, we won't move. But
Could I
But
get a bubble on the little corner there,
certainly
please?
once, I think someone's just gone to get Eric, so
Okay.
he should be on
Yeah,
his
he'll
way
be in a second.
imminently. But no, by all means, we can have a look around with the camera, start to look for some rocks with potential ciliate mats on.
Oh, I'll find you one.
Yeah, so could someone possibly address like thermophiles and what you're discovering
Stop
about
that.
organisms that live within these environments?
Sorry?
I was saying if somebody can address about thermophiles, organisms that live within these extreme environments.
Yeah, stand by 1 second, Susan.
Sure.
We're just having a quick
Go ahead.
break back here while
I
they just
understand.
reconfigure themselves.
For those tuning in, we are off the coast of Northern California and Oregon at Gorda Ridge at the base of the Juan de Fuca plate and sampling hydrothermal vents.
So we're grabbing the other one now? Or standing by on that?
Stand by 1 second. Confirm, Sarah, is the other wand Eric will use, isn't it? The one with the thermocouple and the inlet. Yes, please, Trevor. Yeah, if we can grab that.
Okay.
And then we can be prepared for when Eric arrives.
Roger that.
Thank you.
Whoop. I don't want to do that at all, actually. I want to do that.
Amy's back on. Is there a question about thermophiles?
Yes, if someone could possibly explain to our audience about why we are studying this area in thermophiles.
Sure. So thermophiles are organisms that are called heat-loving organisms, and they like temperatures that organisms like us, we like middle temperatures or mesophiles, and temperatures that these organisms like are much, much hotter than we would be accustomed to, and they are typically in this type of environment chemosynthetic. It's too deep to have photosynthetic organisms living in this area, although you might find some here and there. They're not really active like the chemosynthetic organisms are. And so they're basically using the rocks or the water rock reactions to power their cells, to make energy. And it's similar to photosynthesis, but in this case they're using the water rock reactions as an energy source. And one of the reasons why they like hot water is because the hotter the water, the more energy you get from those water rock reactions. So they're able to live at these higher temperatures and thrive, actually, at the seafloor, where it's very cold.
Sorry to interrupt, but are we waiting for Eric? Is there a reason we're not doing anything?
He just now got here.
Oh, okay.
Hey Eric, just to let you know, we've obviously got the correct wand ready to go with Trevor in the Predator arm, and let Amy and Sarah give you a description of the site to see if it'll be suitable for your adaptive sampling.
Yeah, if you go over, you can see where we took samples on the temperature range, but while we were looking for this site, we got up to like 200-degree fluid.
Where's the orifice?
Let's see. Can we get a
I'll
zoom
line it
in?
up. Yeah, go ahead,
thanks.
zoom.
Or approximately, you can start pointing maybe the temperature probe to where we were before, where we hit hotter temperatures.
I don't know that one. I only know the one.
Yeah, it's like right in the center now, where the kind of more focused shimmery flow is. I think we got up to 120 at some point.
It's that one right in the middle of the field?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can zoom in more there, Jess. Dead center now is where we did the last sample.
Okay.
It was only 120 when I was like in the sediment though.
Okay. Let me set up the program.
But on the previous watch, we got up to 230.
In that same spot?
In this general area, yes.
Oh, right.
We did a little bit of excavation.
Was it this site or was it another place?
It was to the right.
To the right, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, come out a little bit. To the right, can you see it now? There's still more right.
I can see it, yeah.
Okay.
Let me know if we need more camera.
I guess I just don't know which spot we're going for, which orifice we're going for.
Let's move into that one in the middle of the field.
Okay, come full wide, please. Okay, that was one I don't expect to see 230 or anything like that.
Eric, how hot do you want?
It doesn't have to be crazy hot, but I want to see what kind of temperature we can get with this first.
Over 80 degrees, over 90?
Over 50 at least.
I think we can do that. Okay, zoom in again, please. Hold there actually for a sec.
This is Julie. I'm stepping out for about 10 minutes, guys.
Okay.
Copy that. Thanks, Judy.
Okay, can I get a zoom and can I get bubble on that spot, please? Good there, thanks, Jess. Cassidy, could you zoom in on that? How's that look?
I'm only getting around 7 to 10 degrees at most. Did you have one that was a little more vigorous, Flo?
I think when we were just doing the bags on the filters and the bags here, I think the max we actually got to was like 110, wasn't it? Right at the
Yeah.
start. So
Yeah,
this
that was when I was like poked into the sediment. So I can do that again if you'd like.
oh, I thought it was like when we were actually quite close to this guy. I didn't think we were in the sediment. I feel
Yeah,
like
I
it was
don't-
in the.
I don't really want any sediment.
It's just
No.
wafting around a lot right now.
Yeah.
This was the
What
most
What about
focused
over to the
footage yet.
right, over there, a little bit? Get that corner of the screen.
You want to slide it to your right a little bit, Trevor, to that other
I see
crack?
it. Say again, Eric?
Can you slide it to the crack to the right, on top right of your screen?
Yeah, come out a little bit, Jess.
It's hard to tell if that's actually where it's coming out of.
It might just be flowing over the...
Yeah.
Looks like the
Yeah,
far
that's-
right there. It's
There we go. So you're looking for the one pretty much dead center right now. You're looking for
Yeah.
this guy?
See if there's anything there.
Okay, push in there, please.
I'm not getting much. Is Jeff's IGT running at all?
I have to restart it, but I can get it running in a second.
Yeah, mine's
Uh-oh.
pretty in there. That's too low.
You want to move somewhere else?
Yep.
Okay, come wide. Let's go full wide. Let's take a look at the scene.
Eric, do you see just to the right where there's like a big hole?
Yeah.
We kind of excavated right there. That was where we got 200 and something when we got deep in there.
Okay,
so.
let's get that, Trevor. Where that
we
divot
talking
is.
this one here or the one closer?
That one.
Okay, push in there, please.
So just note that the ICL is like off center from where the other one
Yeah.
is, but at least you have an idea of like
Yep.
a few centimeters away.
Is there
Here?
a spot in here that you want me to go to? Just in that kind of black hole
Kind
there.
of in that black bit.
Get any more zoom there, Jess? Good, thanks. Cassidy, can I have that lined up on bubble?
I'm getting 16 and rising. 24.
And if you can zoom in on that too, I can maybe get it farther towards the back of the hole. Sorry, what?
Yeah, this was hotter too.
Yeah, I could probably get back a bit more. Yep.
Getting 60 degrees. Rising a little bit. Alright, let me set this lower. Dude. Data, starting flow count is 7180.
You're good.
7180.
Hey, you're all good.
You locked out, Trevor?
Yeah,
Locked out?
locked out.
Alrighty. Starting sample now.
Starting sample 2055.
Confirming, Eric, you're in tube 11.
I'm tube 11, yes.
Thank you. Can we get a quick zoom out to get a perspective, please?
Do you need
All
eyes
right,
on the flow
you
meter?
can push back in. Thanks.
Can I get a quick check on that?
On the flow meter?
Yes, please.
We have a temperature reading, Eric.
42.
Is your flow meter moving, Eric?
It's not, I
No.
just
Oh,
pause.
right.
It pauses every time it goes below temp.
Oh, okay.
Trevor, I'm not getting above 40. Can you push it in a little bit more?
Where,
Sure.
really quickly, where the ICL is, it's 67, if you want to move it to kind of closer to where that is.
I'm basing
Roger
it
that.
on my temperature probe, so.
I know, but I'm just saying that for reference, that's like a few
Yeah,
centimeters away.
So I'll
if
move
you
it
want
towards
that.
the ICL probe.
No,
Towards
it's up to Eric.
Yeah,
but
towards the ICL probe and into it a little bit.
Sounds good.
oh,
How about that?
43 degrees and rising. That's good.
Good. Okay, halted there.
Oh, wow. It is, isn't it? Oh, sorry, I turned you off for a second ago. Sorry, man.
Eric, are you feeling on fast?
Yeah, it should be about 75% duty cycle.
So is it now turning itself, are you now allowing it to turn itself on and off based on the temperature range that you set it?
Yes. Let's set for about 40 to 115 degrees. It's currently 55.
Copy that, 55.
Hey, Susan, I can't see the screen. Temperature's dropped again. Let's try moving it down to the right a little bit.
Down and to the right. Roger. Too much? Uh-oh.
It's okay. It's 48, 49, 51. What are you trying to... 45.
yeah, it's okay.
35 degrees. How about let's move it to the top left, or the middle left of your screen.
Middle left, that little black patch?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoop. That one there.
Yeah, stand by. I'm only getting about 35 degrees.
I can bump this rock out of the way if that's what you're thinking.
Let's try that bottom right flow first.
Sure. The one just in the barely on screen now?
Barely on the screen.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks pretty good. I'm looking at it back here as well. You can get quite a good...
I'll line it up a little better than that. Hold on. Behind the curtain.
I'm getting really low now. 11 degrees. Let's reposition. Can you come wide a little bit?
Go ahead.
Let's try probing behind that little tuft of stuff.
Tuft of stuff.
Where do you want? Sorry?
Let's take it behind that little tuft of material.
On
Right by the
left
bucket
of the
lid?
probe?
No, not over there. Just behind in the middle of the screen. Behind that little mound.
Okay. Come in halfway, please. Good there.
And if that's not too hot, Eric, I'm just looking at...
Do you want to go behind this?
Yeah,
bump?
behind that, yeah.
Okay. Can I get bubble over there, please? And another zoom in from Jess, please.
You got it.
Thank you. Oh, good. It's right behind the rod. That'll be perfect. You can sometimes zoom past it. It sometimes blurs out when it zooms.
Oh,
Yeah, nice.
magic.
Okay.
I'm getting 7 degrees, 4 degrees.
Oop, that's into the stuff. How about there?
Four degrees.
I'm not seeing much flow on bubble cam in that zone.
Okay, let's try the front of that again.
Try in the front. Oop.
Degrees, 21, 25. $27, $30.
I'm thinking if I bump this rock, it'll open up a little spot I can focus in on.
Let's bump it.
Ready for that?
Yeah.
Okay. I know what you're saying. Excuse me, Van Gogh, stop it. Get out of the dust zone. There's also this guy up here we always go to, that little lumpus there. Stop.
Yeah.
How about right here?
$17, 20 degrees, 25.
Not enough?
It's only 29.
That was a little aggressive.
Well, I mean, it's waiting because it's only 20 degrees. You really found 200 degrees here?
Apparently so. I think it was before our watch. I think these guys.
I think it's lies.
How I was
So you
just.
see
It
the
is
little
not lies. I've been here the whole time.
There we go.
you see the little
Julie
black
can
part on the
confirm for us.
top or the left middle?
That little black tuff,
Yeah.
chimney thing.
Yeah, I was going to suggest. I reckon that might be.
Give it a touch.
Should we try? Okay.
Do you need me to come out a little?
Can you line up that black tuft on bowl? Yeah. Where is it? I think I'm right above it.
I'm only seeing 5 degrees.
Yeah, it's pretty blowing the other way.
What about stick it right in front of it, where the flow is going to?
I've got an image of where they took the IGT sample that would have had the high temperature flow if that's of any use.
Sounds useful.
I'm not getting anything more than 2 to 3 degrees.
Yeah.
Let's come wide a little bit.
Go ahead.
Eric, I mean, the candelabra vents are just to the right of you if you'd rather just move over that way.
Okay, let me just see. That black area is where we just were, right, Trevor?
Which black area?
That little black line
Black line.
in the center.
Sure, yeah.
What about in the foreground right here?
We can try that, sure.
$11.
Right, zoom in, please, Jess.
I'm gonna restart flow for a lower temp site.
Eric, do you want eyes on the flow meter?
No, it's not necessary.
Yes.
Not necessary. Thank you.